In this video, we bend the basics of West Coast swing here at Horseshoe Bend in Arizona. What's up, gang? Brian B.
Miss Emily.
From West Coast Swing Online. We are bending the basics of your West Coast swing here in Horseshoe Bend. So we're gonna work off of a sugar push. So a sugar push 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. But we're gonna bend that into 1, 2, 3, and 4, anchor 5, and 6. Let's do that from the reverse side. Then we'll talk about how we make that work. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6. So if we look at our sugar push and we think about West Coast swing in 2-beat increments, right? And we do our sugar push 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is going to be my left foot, Miss Emily's right foot. That's what we have to get back to on a 2-beat increment. In this case, we're going to do it on count 4. Then we're going to show you how to do it on count 6. That's what I need to get back to. 1, 2 as the leader. I'm going to kind of tuck this back to give Emily a little energy. I'm going to step through for 3. And is my right foot Emily's left foot. We land count 4, then we have the anchor step 5 and 6. If we did it from the other side, so you can see the footwork a little better. 1, 2, there's a load up because I want to be able to lead her right foot and my left foot for 3. And is my right foot her left? 4, then we anchor 5 and 6. So that is the basic way to think about it. But in reality, we're going to use that 2-beat increment to extend it, and we're going to go all the way to count 6, right? So we looked at our sugar push footwork, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Even if I landed this on 5 and 6, it would still work out to anchor steps. So now we're going to bend it even more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is this foot, this inside foot. We land on 6, and we anchor step. Let's do it one more time from the other side. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm using this hand to tell Emily that we're done. We're in anchor position, anchor step. There is a way to bend your basics from Horseshoe Bend here in Arizona.